Something massive is happening behind the closed doors of Cupertino right now, and the sheer scale of the leaks slipping out of Apple's supply chain is unprecedented. We are standing on the edge of a complete hardware revolution that will fundamentally change how we interact with technology. The traditional cycle of minor annual updates is officially dead, replaced by a high-stakes race to redefine consumer electronics. Apple is preparing a lineup of devices that feel less like standard yearly refreshes and more like a leap directly into the next decade. If you have been planning to upgrade any of your Apple devices, you need to pause and listen to this because the upcoming announcements are going to make current hardware look obsolete overnight. Analysts and insiders are pointing to a massive shift in Apple's production lines, with billions of dollars being funneled into entirely new manufacturing processes. This is not just speculation, as the physical components, supply chain orders, and custom silicon blueprints have already started leaking out of manufacturing facilities across Asia. The sheer volume of highly specific CAD renders and component mock-ups confirms that a massive transition is underway. Let us start with the crown jewel of the upcoming lineup, the device that keeps the entire Apple empire running, which is the next-generation iPhone 18 Pro Max. Apple is moving away from minor aesthetic changes and is finally implementing a radical redesign that engineers have been trying to perfect for years. The physical layout of the chassis is undergoing a major reduction in thickness, utilizing a new Grade 5 titanium alloy that is both lighter and significantly stronger than previous iterations. This new alloy allows for a much sleeker profile without sacrificing structural integrity, addressing the long-standing user demand for a lighter flagship phone. But the real magic lies in the display engineering. Sources deep within the display supply chains of Samsung and LG confirm that Apple has secured exclusive rights to a new generation of tandem OLED panels. This technology stacks two organic light-emitting diode layers on top of each other, resulting in a display that is twice as bright while consuming nearly 30% less power. This advance directly solves the thermal issues that have historically throttled screen brightness under direct sunlight. More importantly, the pill-shaped cutout that has defined the front of the iPhone for years is finally evolving. Apple is introducing a highly sophisticated under-display sensor array that hides the Face ID components entirely beneath the active pixels. This means that when you're watching a video or playing a game, the screen will appear completely unbroken, with only a microscopic, chemically etched pinhole for the front-facing camera lens, which itself is designed to blend seamlessly into the status bar when not in use. Behind this display sits a piece of silicon that is poised to break every benchmark record in existence. The upcoming custom processor is built on Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company's brand new 2nm gate all-around transistor architecture. Moving to a 2nm process is a monumental achievement, because it allows Apple to pack billions of additional transistors into a chip that is physically smaller than before. The efficiency gains alone are projected to extend battery life by hours, but the real focus of this chip is local, on-device intelligence. The neural engine inside this processor is being expanded with specialized cores designed specifically to run massive language models and complex image processing algorithms locally, without needing to ping a remote server. This means your privacy remains completely intact while the device performs complex tasks in milliseconds. The graphics architecture is also receiving a complete overhaul, introducing hardware-accelerated ray tracing with dynamic caching that allows the phone to render console-quality lighting effects at a stable 60 frames per second without overheating. For power users and mobile gamers, this level of performance in a fanless, ultra-thin chassis is nothing short of revolutionary. The camera system on the back of this device is undergoing an equally dramatic transformation. Apple is moving away from the classic triple-lens triangle and introducing a new, highly integrated camera module that sits flush with the rear glass. The main sensor is a massive 1-inch type sensor, which is the largest ever put into an iPhone. This physical increase in sensor size allows the camera to capture an incredible amount of light naturally, eliminating the noisy, muddy look of software-assisted night photography. To complement this massive sensor, Apple is introducing a true variable physical aperture. Instead of relying purely on digital portraits and artificial background blur, the lens will physically open and close, allowing you to control depth of field and light intake exactly like a professional mirrorless camera. This is paired with a next-generation periscope telephoto lens that uses a unique dual-prism design to fold light multiple times within the thin body of the phone, achieving a 10 times optical zoom without requiring a massive camera bump. Video creators are also getting a massive upgrade with the introduction of real-time spatial video capture at high frame rates, specifically optimized for immersive viewing on spatial computing headsets. While the phone is receiving massive upgrades, the tablet space is about to experience an absolute earthquake with the introduction of a completely redesigned folding iPad. Apple has spent years observing the folding market from the sidelines, letting other manufacturers deal with screen creases, fragile hinges, and unoptimized software. Now, they are ready to enter the arena with a device that solves every single pain point of the folding form factor. The upcoming folding iPad utilizes an incredibly complex liquid metal hinge mechanism that allows the device to fold completely flat without any visible gap. The hinge is designed to hold its position at any angle, allowing you to use the device as a miniature laptop, a drawing easel, or a massive, uninterrupted tablet. To address the dreaded screen crease, Apple has patented a unique display technology that uses a chemically strengthened ultra-thin glass substrate paired with a flexible fluid layer underneath the fold line. When the device is opened, this fluid layer undergoes a pressure change that pushes the display perfectly flat, making the crease virtually invisible to both the eye and the touch. When fully opened, the screen expands to a massive 12-inch canvas, giving you the workspace of a professional laptop in a device that easily slides into a jacket pocket. To support this giant screen, Apple is developing a specialized version of its operating system designed to handle multitasking like never before. You'll be able to drag and drop windows with fluid, physics-based animations, run multiple desktop-grade applications simultaneously, and use an upgraded digital pencil that charges magnetically inside the hinge itself. This pencil uses a new ultra-low latency protocol that makes digital drawing feel indistinguishable from putting actual ink on paper. The folding iPad is not meant to be a companion device, but rather a complete replacement for both your tablet and your laptop, bridge-building a new category of mobile productivity. For those who rely on desktop-level performance, the Mac lineup is preparing to transition to the highly anticipated M6 family of chips. The leap from previous generation silicon to the M6 is not just a standard speed bump, but a fundamental redesign of Apple's unified memory architecture. The M6 family is designed to support much higher memory bandwidth, allowing the CPU, GPU, and neural engine to access shared data at speeds that were previously impossible. The entry-level M6 chip will feature a 10-core configuration as standard, split between high-performance cores and high-efficiency cores, ensuring that even the most basic Mac Mini or MacBook Air can handle heavy workloads without breaking a sweat. For professional users, the upcoming M6 Pro and M6 Max chips will scale this architecture to extreme levels, supporting up to 128 gigabytes of ultra-fast unified memory. This means that video editors working with raw 8K video streams, 3D artists rendering complex scenes, and developers compiling massive codebases will experience a level of responsiveness that makes traditional tower PCs feel sluggish. The physical hardware housing these M6 chips is also getting a sleek makeover. Apple is focusing heavily on thermal efficiency, redesigning the internal airflow of its professional notebooks to pull heat away from the silicon more effectively. This means the fans will rarely need to spin up, even under sustained heavy loads, allowing you to work in absolute silence. The displays on these professional laptops are also transitioned to micro-LED technology. Unlike mini-LED, which uses zones of backlighting, micro-LED controls brightness at the individual pixel level, offering perfect contrast infinite contrast ratios, and a peak brightness that easily combats the brightest outdoor environments. Additionally, Apple is introducing a new matte display option that uses nanometer scale etching to scatter light and eliminate reflections without sacrificing the sharp detail and vibrant colors of the screen. Beyond the core computing and mobile devices, Apple is preparing to make a massive splash in the wearable market. The upcoming next-generation Apple Watch is undergoing the most significant redesign since its initial launch. The chassis is becoming noticeably thinner, utilizing a highly polished titanium frame that sits closer to the wrist. The band attachment system is being completely redesigned to use a high-strength magnetic connection system, freeing up valuable internal space that was previously taken up by the mechanical slide-in slots. This extra space is being utilized to pack a larger, more efficient battery and a suite of advanced health sensors. Insiders report that Apple has finally cracked the engineering challenges behind non-invasive blood glucose tracking. Using a sophisticated optical sensor that shines specific wavelengths of light through the skin to measure glucose levels in the interstitial fluid, this technology will allow millions of users to monitor their metabolic health without needing to prick their fingers. This is joined by a new blood pressure monitoring system that can detect trends in hypertension and alert users to potential cardiovascular risks before they become emergencies. The software powering this new wearable is also getting a massive injection of contextual intelligence. The watch will no longer just dump data into a health app. Instead, it will actively analyze your activity, sleep, and heart rate patterns to provide personalized, actionable advice. If the watch detects that your sleep quality has been declining over several days, it will cross-reference this with your daily stress levels and suggest specific breathing exercises or wind-down routines. The goal is to move from reactive health monitoring to proactive wellness coaching, turning the device on your wrist into a deeply personal health assistant that works tirelessly in the background. At the same time, the home entertainment sector is about to receive a major update with a new iteration of Apple's Television Hub. This upcoming streaming box is designed to be the central brain of your smart home, featuring an upgraded processor that allows it to handle complex smart home automation locally and securely. It will act as a border router for the latest smart home standards, ensuring that all your connected lights, cameras, and locks respond instantly to your commands. The device is also getting a highly requested redesign, featuring a sleek aluminum and glass enclosure that looks beautiful in any living room setup, with all the ports neatly organized on the back for clean cable management. The interface is being updated to offer a more fluid, personalized experience, recommending content based on the viewing habits of whoever is currently sitting in front of the screen, using subtle voice recognition to switch profiles automatically. As we look at the broader picture of Apple's strategy, it becomes clear that they're building an ecosystem that is more integrated, more powerful, and more intelligent than anything we have seen before. Every single product in this upcoming lineup is designed to work in perfect harmony with the others. The transition to advanced silicon across the entire range means that your devices will share processing loads, transfer data instantly, and anticipate your needs in ways that feel almost magical. The level of engineering detail, from the molecular structure of the new titanium alloys to the submicron alignment of the camera lenses, shows that Apple has spared no expense in securing its position at the absolute top of the technology world. The countdown to the official unveiling has begun, and the excitement is reaching a fever pitch. This is not just a collection of minor upgrades. It is a turning point for consumer technology. The devices Apple is preparing to introduce will set the standard for the entire industry for years to come. Whether you are a creative professional looking for the ultimate workstation, a mobile power user demanding the best camera and performance, or someone who simply wants the most advanced health tracking available, the upcoming event is going to deliver exactly what you have been waiting for. The future of technology is about to be revealed, and it is going to change everything.